Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to undo a git merge. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, in this video, I'm just going to follow these instructions or these tips from Stack Overflow, or we can follow also this article. And basically, there is only one uh, command that would allow you to reset in or to undo your git merge. So all you will be needing is just to use the git reset, so it can delete your commits. It won't really delete it, but it will just go back to the commit and you will be able to remove the merge request. And basically, you can just go to your git bash or to your terminal, and you will be needing to use the git reset, and you will need to use this option hard, and after that, the commit before the merge. And basically, it will be one commit before the head, and basically, you can use this ID or this keyword, which is head tilde one. That would that means one commit before the head, and you can be able to reset these changes. Otherwise, you can use it by using the GitHub desktop. You can simply go to your repository, you go to the history, and you go one commit before the merge request. For example, I have this merge request, and from here, you can simply go and click on revert changes in commit. And of course, in my case, it has created some conflict since I have many commits. And basically, I will just choose the files that I want or the lines that I want to remain. And then I will need just to click on commit to main, and basically it will just redo and revert my changes. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.